Broadcom ACPL-M21L digital CMOS optocoupler is the first industrial 5 mbd low-power digital optocoupler. The detector has CMOS output stage and optical receiver input stages with built-in Schmitt triggers to provide logic-compatible waveforms, eliminating the need for additional waveshaping. The optocoupler consumes extremely low power, at maximum 1.1 mA IDD current per channel across temperature. With a forward LED current as low as 1.6 mA, most microprocessors can directly drive the LED. A superior internal shield on the Broadcom ACPL-M21L guarantees common mode transient immunity of 25 kV per microsecond at a common mode voltage of 1000 volts over a temperature range of -40°C to 105°C. Glitches-free output upon power up and power down of optocoupler. ACPL-M21L is ideal for use in a variety of applications, including industrial networking, I/Os, isolation of high-speed logic systems, and more.